All right, everyone, it's day 2. So today we're gonna be removing the head. So this is your exhaust cam, your intake cam, and these are the caps right here. It should be start at the back usually and keep it in order. So this is I guess cylinder 6. You're gonna want to keep it organized. So as you take everything apart, have something that you can lay on and you know, not get bumped around, and keep very organized. Make this a part 1 of the engine disassembly series, and then I'm gonna do the oil pan on the part 2, and then we're gonna be able to inspect the pistons and the cylinder walls and make sure that nothing major is wrong. So first thing we're gonna do here is get the timing chain off in this gear for the exhaust side of the engine. So what you're gonna, this is a 19 millimeter. You just wanna get this off. Mine, I got lucky, mine broke loose just from turning this. So you wanna get that off, and then that should give you enough room to wiggle the cam gear and the timing chain off. So once you've got that done, oh, and don't forget to, mine was already removed. There's a tensioner right here. There's, I don't have it with me, I'll link a picture, but there is, it has like a little guide right here for the other timing set right here. And guess it keeps that chain tight. Just make sure to remove this. There's 3 screws, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter. Don't forget it, or it won't come out, obviously. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this off. Let me remove this. So just break loose. This thing's gonna spin out of here. Still got oil in it. Here's the tensioner. We got it out. It's probably gonna leak oil. I thought my engine was out of oil, but you know, there's always more to leak. So this should come out of here, 19 millimeter. And now you should be able to wobble this off of here. So now you have your gear loose on the engine side. Here's your chain. So now you're able to take these caps off right here, all the way to cylinder 6, and then, oh, there you go. Just put it back the way you found it, and make sure you stay very organized with all your bolts and everything. So this is oil on it, so I'm gonna put it in I have an oil pan down here because it's probably gonna leak oil. So just make sure you wanna keep your environment clean as well, so. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get the camshaft out of here. You've got your gear out. You don't actually have to take it out. You can just move it back so you can get the cam out. But today we're gonna, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off because I gotta go ahead and get everything off. Oh my gosh, else off anyways, so let's get to it. So there's a way you wanna loosen these cams. You can't just loosen off them willy-nilly. Or hollow cams, it'll just crack and it'll damage the cam, so you don't wanna do that. So what you need to do is just break them loose. Nothing crazy. Just a quarter turn, just like, quarter turn, just like that. Pretty tight. and got it on the HOA, I probably wouldn't have a BMW. This is, I'm working in a little hut in here. We have so much stuff in our garage, if you will. I call it a hut, but whatever. One cap. Take them out of order. Here comes the camshaft. And here we go. Just want to take your camshaft off and sit it out somewhere safe. So here's what it looks like without the camshaft in. So once you've got your the caps off and the camshaft's off, here are your lifters. Fold this up here. Lifters are staying, so they're gonna fall out in there. Just make sure you bring them back out in order because you know, the camshaft's worn into that over years and years of running. So. Oh. Slammed. Sorry. If you couldn't tell. Just kidding. This probably happens to a lot of people. Okay. So originally, if I didn't know that this engine might have something major wrong with it, I probably would have kept it. I've like done terrible with my shots, I'm sorry. Jeez. A lot different. When you're torquing down these cylinder head bolts, you have to go from the inside out. So, but when you're torquing them down, so when you want to loosen them, you go from the outside in. So what you'll do is you'll start off crisscross. You'll start out with the furthest one out here. It's an E-Torx E12. So it's an E12 socket. I'll show you right here. I just got a Pittsburgh one. It's my dad's. Okay, so there's also a bolt up here that you need to take out, as well as one in here. And it is an E8 Torx head. I did not have one. You need a long nose one. Or what did you use?
I think I had a 1/4-inch 6-point long that they weren't tight, so it was easy to break them loose.
Okay.
But you really need the right deep well socket.
Because you don't want to strip it or anything. So these are, I'm assuming these are also 8s. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out as well. I'm not sure if you have to, but it looks like it's in the way, so I'm gonna. And do this at your own discretion. I would not follow me. This is my first time doing this. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Watch at your own discretion. So we're gonna go ahead and get the head off here.
Yeah, look at that. Got it?
Here's all cylinders. The motor's actually, it's turning over.
Ooh.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, that's water. Okay.
It's just disgusting. They never took care of this engine. Never made
It's
it.
in a bind. Hang on a minute.
Wow.
Yeah, there's just a lot of buildup from the coolant system and a lot of trash on top of the pistons.
This just needs a good cleaning, really. Well,
This block might be okay. We'll see what the mains look like. I mean, it needs a good hot tanking and cleaning. Here's your head gasket. Anywhere that this was damaged.
take the oil pan off and inspect the rods and main bearings and see how it looks. So
Supposedly. Allegedly.
yeah, fingers crossed.
It's freaking cold. We just took the oil pump gear. If we took this nut off, it's reverse threads. So
This way.
that keeps it from coming loose during operation. We took 3 bolts out here and the 2 bolts off the pickup, so we can do this.
There's 3 13mm. Let's call it
Oil pump assembly here. Let's see. Okay.
Okay, we finished everything up. Cylinder head's off. I'll go ahead and start editing that tonight and post that. And now we've got to just finish disassembling the bottom end. So I'll show you where we're at. So this is where we made it to after like pretty close inspection. I mean, so far everything looks okay. I mean, nothing looks like major damage. It's just gross. I don't think this car ever had an oil change. I mean, not once in its life. So they said it was pulled, and it was probably, they didn't say why. It was probably pulled because it was smoking, I bet. I mean, I think it's a high mile car. Because we removed one of the caps. We did the big back together and run it, but I mean, it's just, if someone gets this, they're probably gonna rebuild it. You see in the journal here, there's quite a bit of scoring. So, I mean, this was obviously a high mile motor, but the crankshaft itself looks okay. I mean, you know, this isn't a trash motor. So I think it might be worth saving. Not me, of course, somebody else. Let's type this back in there. But yeah, I think, I mean, it's just dirty, you know. It wasn't cared for. This motor was neglected. So thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. I mean, you have no idea. If y'all could like and subscribe, it'd be a huge help because, I mean, we're going to be doing more car stuff like this. I mean, really just, you know, metal work and all kinds of cool stuff. So I'm in high school right now and I'm not able to post all the time. So if you're watching this, just consider that. So I'll post and edit these as soon as I can, but there's no promises. So I really do appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. If y'all like and subscribe, then I can do more of this. I mean, I can afford more, so please take that into consideration. So, all right, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.